Hey y'all, so we're just going to be checking in on our 100-gallon wedge bin bucket. It's been pretty hot, if you didn't notice, and surprisingly this bedding's pretty dang self-regulating. Just to make sure that these guys are alive, I just want to find a few. There's one. I have checked this recently, and I found they really liked a banana. I don't know where it is though. Oh yeah, you can definitely see a lot of them. Oh yeah. No, yeah, they're definitely in here. No doubt about it. So, here's a apple. They haven't done much with it. I'll just leave that. I'm not finding that banana, which means they probably have fully processed it now. Yep. Alright. Well, I can definitely still see quite a lot of worms, which is a good sign. I did something right. Oh yeah, see, they must really like the bottom. I see a few worms right there. So yeah, I'm just going to put all this back. Oh, here's a banana. That's what I was talking about. Oh, see? Worm ball. Probably another one at the end of this. Open it up. Yep. Worm ball. These were full bananas, so they must really like them. I think I added it, I'd say a week ago. So they must have been processing everything else in the meantime. I also added that weed too. Alright. So now, I got these bananas that just went bad. So I'm gonna actually leave them unopened like I did last time, because what happens is the moisture retains, so the worms can get in there, even if it's like a little bit, you know, if the bedding's too dry, even though it's really moist right now. So I'm just gonna throw these guys. I'm gonna actually separate them because I don't think it's too good to have it, you know, all in the same bundle, unless there's like two, which is fine. Also, I'm making sure to bury these just so that the decomposition goes by faster. And also, we don't want any fruit flies or bad odors, so we're just gonna make sure to get all of this buried. And then just for oh boy, I'll move the phone closer to you guys, but that smells absolutely disgusting. If you have smelled anything like squid bait, it's like if squid bait was rotting. So this is the coffee grounds. I don't know if I should. Okay, I'll try. Alright, I caught this piece of wood. This is probably extremely unhealthy for me to, you can see the spores moving around. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but I almost completely guarantee this is not good for me or the worms. Talking about not good for the worms, I should probably get this out of the bucket. So with this, what we're going to do is we're actually going to make a test bin. I asked a few people on a forum if I should, use it or if I should throw it away, and they said test it out in a bin. Okay, so I'm gonna just add these 4 worms. These are red wigglers from the big bin. Put them right in there. I'll actually add a little bit of this bedding, just so they're a little bit familiar, and then I'm gonna add a little bit less than a handful to there. Kind of looks like insulation foam, almost. So this is what we got for the little tiny test bin. I'm gonna just add some of this water, and I'll add a towel just so they don't, evaporate in the heat. Here where I'm at, it's about 100. It's gonna be 100 soon. Today it's been in the 90s. Actually, I'm gonna grab this. Mix it in just to make sure. I'm gonna have a big chunk of this moss, mold, fungus right there, just so I can check it up a little bit later and see what happened. And I'll grab a little bit more like that. Okay. So this moldy coffee grounds, I'm just gonna test it out in a bin. We'll check it at the second day, see if there's still the amount of worms that we used to have. But this stuff is actually, I looked it up, it's not harmful to humans. It can only cause asthma. So we're adding the moldy coffee grounds to the test bins, and we're gonna be waiting for 2 days to see the progress. But for now, I have a different bucket that I kept inside right here. So what we're gonna just do is sprinkle this on top. Don't want to out dry the bin. Okay. We also added this coffee filter, or at least I believe it's a coffee filter. It looks like a, oh yep, coffee filter. So I can actually just add this straight on like that. All right. Actually, I'm gonna add a banana inside here and wrap it around. We'll see how this works. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.